Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to install R on Mac OS X. The version of Mac OS X that I have running is Yosemite version 10.10.2. First, we navigate to www.r-project.org in our web browser. Reading the first paragraph on the page, we see that we need to select a CRAN mirror. If you're wondering what CRAN is, it is the Comprehensive R Archive Network, which is a collection of sites which carry identical material, consisting of the R distributions, the contributed extensions, documentation for R, and binaries. Clicking on the CRAN mirror link takes us to a page with a list of mirror sites. You will want to locate your country and select a nearby mirror site. Selecting a site that is geographically near to you may result in a quicker download. However, you don't have to be too precise. Also, if you have trouble with one mirror site, you can try switching to a different mirror. Sometimes one site may be having network difficulties or experiencing a large volume of traffic. Switching to a different site can alleviate the problem. I am going to scroll down to USA and select the mirror at Iowa State University. At the top of this page, we see links to download R for Linux, Mac, and Windows. For this demonstration, I will select R for Mac. We are now at the download page. The current version of R is version 3.2.0. This version works for OS X 10.9 or Mavericks or higher. The link to download R version 3.2.0 is located here. If you scroll down the page further, you will find links to other versions of R. You may need an older version of R if you are running an older version of OS X, or if you have a project requirement for a particular version of R. Under the subdirectories heading, we see directories for several types of legacy versions of R. The Mavericks directory contains versions compatible with OS X Mavericks or higher. The Leopard directory contains versions compatible with OS X Leopard or higher. The Universal directory contains versions compatible with OS X Tiger. And the Old directory contains all of these versions in one location. Scrolling back to the top of the page, I am going to follow the R 3.2.0 package link. This opens the file download window, and I will save the file to my downloads folder. After the file completes downloading, I navigate to my downloads folder and double-click on the file to launch the download manager. Click Continue. Click Continue again. R is distributed under the GNU General Public License, which is a common license for open source software. We click Continue again and agree to the license terms. Now we click the Install button. I am prompted for my computer password in order to install the software on my computer. After entering my password, the installation process begins. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Here I see that the installation was successful, and I click Close. R is now installed, and I can locate it in my Applications directory. I open a Finder window, navigate to Applications, and scroll down until I see R. I can double-click the R icon to launch it. I can also drag the R icon to my dock if I choose. To quit R, either navigate to the R menu and select Quit R, or use the keyboard shortcut Command Q. One feature of R is that it will prompt you to save your R workspace image on quitting. It is generally not recommended that you save your R workspace image. To quit without saving, select Don't Save. To quit with saving, select Save. To cancel quitting R, select Cancel. Congratulations! We have now successfully installed R on Mac OS X.